Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant registers new single-day crude steel production record. CEO SAIL RSP commends RSP Collective for cooperation in COVID-19 management. And CPP3 of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant sets record in single-day power generation on 2 consecutive days. Now, the news in detail. Rourkela Steel Plant, a unit of the Maharatna company SAIL, has created a new record in single-day crude steel production. The plant produced 13,336 tons of crude steel from SMS-1 and SMS-2 on 28 October 2020. The earlier record for single-day crude steel production was of 13,147 tons, which was achieved on 3 January 2019. The remarkable performance was largely contributed by the SMS-2 department, which notched up the highest ever 11,871 tons of crude steel on the said day. SMS-2 also improved its earlier record of highest number of heat tapped in a single day by making a total of 76 blows on the above day. Notably, on 3 January 2019, SMS-2 had clocked the highest number of heats tapped in a single day by tapping 75 heats. Mr. Deepak Chatraj, CEO RSP, visited the SMS-2 department on 29 October to congratulate the collective. He was accompanied by Mr. P.K. Das, ED Works, Mr. Rajveer Singh, ED P&A, Mr. D.K. Mohapatra, ED MM, Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Projects, Mr. Praveen Nigam, CGM FNA, and other senior officers of RSP. The CEO, along with senior officers, interacted with a representative group of SMS-2 led by Mr. S. Maji, CGM SMS-2. The program was organized in strict adherence to the COVID guidelines. Commending the unflinching efforts of the collective, Mr. Chatraj said that the laudable success demonstrates the team spirit and will to win of RSP Collective. Mr. Das urged the employees to strive further and make all-out efforts to meet the set targets. The collective, on their part, assured the senior officers that they will leave no stone unturned to live up to their expectations. The feat was achieved due to the well-concerted team effort of all the associated departments like Blast Furnace, Production Planning and Coordination PPC, Calcining Plant 2, Oxygen Plant, Material Recovery Department, Research and Control Lab RNC Lab, Refractory Engineering Services, Instrumentation and Automation, Traffic and Raw Material, Field Machinery Maintenance, and several other service departments, and the determined efforts of Steel Melting Shop 2 Collective. While addressing in a session of mass contact exercise held in virtual mode on 29 October, Mr. Deepak Chatraj, CEO RSP, commended the plant collective's cooperation for efficient management of COVID-19 generated crisis. The session was attended by Mr. P.K. Das, ED Works, Mr. Rajveer Singh, ED P&A, Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Projects, Mr. Praveen Nigam, CGM FNA, and about 100 employees including executives. Speaking on the occasion, the CEO detailed about the COVID-19 status in RSP and the township. He thanked everyone for exhibiting a daunting spirit, which not only helped in efficient management of the pandemic, but also improved the production performance of the plant. Cautioning about the high infection quotient of the virus, the CEO advised everyone to maintain a disciplined life in accordance with the COVID-19 guidelines. Mr. Chatraj also highlighted the various preventive measures taken by RSP, including testing facilities, setting up of plasma bank at Ispat General Hospital, and round-the-clock COVID control room. With regard to production, the CEO stressed upon the need of proper planning, teamwork, road and equipment safety, and reducing cost of production to remain profitable. The CEO also praised the documentary We Shall Overcome, made by Public Relations Department, that was shown during the program. The documentary film presented the steps taken by RSP to contain the pandemic and experience sharing by employees who have recovered from the disease. Mr. Das emphasized upon safety and urged everyone to adhere to the speed limits within the plant to avoid mishaps. He also reiterated the need of reducing the cost of production. Mr. Das urged everyone to work towards zero breakdown and improve the production performance in all areas, especially the mill side, to strike a balance in the integrated steel plant. Mr. Rajveer Singh commended the documentary made by PR department and informed about the reducing trend of COVID-19 cases both in the plant and the township. He urged everyone to continue adhering to the COVID guidelines and make use of the facilities developed by RSP for better management of the pandemic. Mr. Pankaj Kumar briefed about the status of various projects being undertaken in RSP and exhorted everyone to make use of the conducive market condition to gain edge over the other competitors. Ms. Rajshri Banerjee, GM in charge HRD, welcomed the gathering, and an interaction session was also held on the occasion. Ms. Raj Lakshmi Acharya, Senior Instructor HRDC, coordinated the session and also proposed a vote of thanks. The Captive Power Plant 3, CPP3 of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant, has set 2 fresh records in single-day power generation on consecutive days. The steel plant had registered a record by producing 46.70 megawatts of electrical power on 26 October 2020. It took less than 24 hours for the record to be broken yet again. Blazing a trail of success on the very next day, that is on 27th October, the unit broke this record to create another new one by generating 47.73 megawatt of power on a single day. It is worth mentioning here that the Captive Power Plant 3 consists of steam turbine generators in power blowing station, top recovery turbine generator and back pressure turbine generator. Expressing happiness over the back-to-back records, Mr. Deepak Chatrat, CEO RSP, has congratulated the collective and urged them to make excellence a habit. The achievements show the mettle of the CPP3 collective and associated units, he said. These outstanding achievements were possible through number of incremental system improvements like arresting steam leakages, use of exhaust steam in the deaerators in BPTG, increasing the efficiency of boilers, enhancing the vacuum in condensers in STGs, and in turbo blowers by changeover of ejectors, enhancing the reliability of major power plant equipment and related auxiliaries, rationalization, optimization and balancing of steam generation in boilers and their effective utilization in turbine generators and turbo blowers. Also, the BPTG was operated at a higher range of steam utilization and exhaust steam was effectively utilized in deaerators. Amidst the pandemic due to COVID-19, these are remarkable achievements considering the fact that this record power generation was done in addition to the continuous supply of the required cold blast volume of 3,20,000 Nm³ of air with pressure of 4.10 kg per centimeter square to blast furnace 5 for hot metal production and necessary steam for RHOB processes in steel melting shop 2. The record-breaking spree of CPP3 was made possible with the collective effort and support of Energy Management Department, Blast Furnaces, CDCP, Instrumentation Department, etc. With this, we come to the end of this news bulletin. Namaskar.